Hi everyone, today I'm making chicken dumpling with omi. First, marinate chicken cube with oyster sauce. Next, dice chilies, mushrooms, carrot, garlic, onion and ginger. Now put cooking oil in a hot pan. Saute all together. Then stir for a while. Smells so good. Then mix in. Marinate the chicken. Stir, then cook for around. Time to put some seasoning. Only use black pepper, some chili flakes, salt, and chili powder. Cook again for a while. It's ready. Now let's roll the dumpling. First, lay out the dumpling pastry. Next, put dumpling filling in the middle. Put water around the pastry. Then fold it, glue both sides together. Press the sides to make sticks together. Continue to finish. In a different pot, put clean water for boiling. Add a bit of oil, then boil until the oil makes the dumplings won't stick. Now let's make the chili oil. Simply saute diced garlic in hot oil, then mix with chili flakes. Time to serve. Let's eat together. So yummy.
Delicious.
Sedapnya. Tastes like it's restaurant. I cannot stop eating. For my recipe, like, follow, and share.